In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. I will show you how to do this on your mobile, and I will show you how to do this on computer. On your mobile, open the Facebook app. Once open, tap on your profile menu at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on the gear icon. Now you should see Meta Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center and tap on your profile. Tap on the profile you want to change its name and tap on Name. Make all necessary changes to your name, but also keep in mind that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. To save your changes, tap on Save and your name will be successfully changed. To do this on your computer, open Facebook on your computer and then tap on Accounts at the top right corner of your screen. Here you are going to see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. On the Settings page, you will see the Meta Account Center here. Tap on See More in Account Center. And under Profile, tap on the profile you want to change its name and tap on Name. Make all the necessary changes to your name and then review your changes. So that's how you can change your name on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you do find it helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.